Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to point. So Nifty again closed in between 15,000 to 15,250 after a reverse from near 15,000. So for now, if it breaks 15,000 to 15,200 zone as per closing basis, then most likely it will try to move for 15,700 with support of 15,000. Otherwise, below 15,000 it will reverse from 14,600 to 800 reversal support zone. Let's come to Nifty chart. Nifty again closed in between 15,000 to 15,200. So for now, as per chart formation, above 15,250 it will try for 15,700 with support of 15,000 once. Otherwise, below 15,000 it will reverse from 14,800. It's reversal support zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed above 36,000. So for now, above 36,000 it will try to move for 37,000 zone. Otherwise, below 35,500 it will reverse from 34,200 again. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty finally sustained above 36,000. So for now, it will try for 37,000 once. Otherwise, it will try to reverse from 35,500 again. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's our. For Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Nifty future that 15,459. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances. That's our 15,279 and 15,356. There have a crucial support for Nifty future also that 14,929. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports. That's our 15,089 and 14,989. For Bank Nifty, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty that 36,786. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances. That's our 36,486 and 36,689. There have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also that 35,200. To achieve this support, there are two reversal supports. That's our 35,689 and 35,429. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then most likely it will try to reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support. So Muthoot Finance, that LTP is 1315. Its upper range is 1400 and lower range is 1300. So if it sustains above its midpoint that 1325 with increases volume, then most likely it will try for its upper range or upper resistance that 1400. Same as if it sustains below its midpoint that 1325 with increases volume, then most likely it will try to reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support that 1300, and when it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Red star mark stocks are more important for intraday trading. Muthoot Finance, that LTP is 1315. Laurus Lab, that LTP is 375. Persistent, that LTP is 1794. Sundaram Fast, that LTP is 622. Radico, that LTP is 543. Canfin Home Finance, that LTP is 517. SIS, that LTP is 432. CDSL, that LTP is 538. Sudarshan Chemical, that LTP is 510. GRSC, that LTP is 198. Hindustan Zinc, that LTP is 300. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. If you have any kind of query about my channel, then you can mail me on my mail ID or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in video description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you viewer. Thank you very much.